Hi, welcome to our SHASI Lab. My name is Dreida. I'm one of the lead interns, and I'm really excited to give you an introduction to our lab. One of our services includes the InBody 770. It's a body composition analysis test that provides fat percentage, muscle mass, water balance, and more. Let me show you how it works. You must instruct the patient to take off their shoes and socks and step onto the height measure facing away with their back against the rod. Their body must be straight, standing up tall, with a deep inhale to hold their breath. You can press the lock icon so it locks their height and they're able to see. When it comes to the InBody, socks cannot be worn. Their feet must stand on the metal foot placement on the InBody. They must stay as still as possible as the InBody calculates their weight and they input their information such as student ID number, height, age, and gender. There will be a set of instructions on the screen. When prompted, please grab the handles and hold out to the sides. Their arms must not be touching their torso. They must remain quiet and breathe steady as the InBody completes measurements. When finished, they may put their shoes and socks back on. A team member will then grab the printed sheet and interpret the results with the patient. The analysis includes obesity analysis, segmental lean analysis, ECW or TBW analysis, history if other body composition analysis have been done before, the skeletal muscle index, total body water, and basal metabolic rate.
Hey guys, my name is Rivera, and I'm also one of the lead interns here at the SHASI Lab. One of the other services provided here is the motion data analysis using the Qualitas motion capture system. The motion gait analysis program provides a skeletal view of the human body and joint angle graphs.
Hello, I'm Garcia, and I'm actually one of the lead interns as well here at the lab. And here is court 3. This is like our fitness assessment court. Here we provide circuit training, working on our specific muscle groups where we promote exercise as medicine here on campus. Exercise is a stressor, so there are risks. So as we're exercising, before we exercise, we do provide flexibility tests to make sure that anyone that comes in here is well safe and equipped to perform an exercise. Here's an example of a flexibility test. This is going to measure your trunk and your hamstrings. So what you do is you put your arms together, take a deep breath in, and try to reach this little point right here. And as you're releasing your air, you're just providing that deep stretch in your lower back and your hamstrings. We have an indicator as well that provides a number. With that, you can future track your progress as well. Whenever you come in, you can record your numbers and progress at your flexibility ranges. This is an elliptical, and what elliptical does is it kind of inclines your knees a bit so it kind of feels like you're in an all-terrain setting. It works on your quads, specifically your glutes as well, because you're kind of at an angle. And that cyclical motion is what's kind of targeting every single muscle in the rotation. Now you can add resistance, weight bearing. You want to build more strength, but for me right now, I'm on the minimal resistance, so I can kind of work more cardio. We got an hour left. Here we go. With this exercise device here, this is called a sled. And with these options here, you can work on levels of resistance. If you want to build strength training, you would go higher resistance. And what that does, higher resistance requires more muscle output. But as you can see here, we've built more friction and resistance, leading to more muscle building and tonality.